Yay, bonjour tout le monde. We had a question about Répondez from yesterday, March 16th work, so let's see what we can do there. Okay, encore we have, so Monsieur Lafarge, comment vont vos parents? How are your parents doing? So he's going to answer what? My parents, that's what I thought there. My parents, and there's more than one, so it's mes parents. Oops. Vont, and it just says très bien, so you just copy what's there. Okay. Mes parents vont très bien. Now we got la belle-sœur de Marc est de quelle origine? What origin is the stepsister of Marc? So we're going to say his stepsister or stepsister-in-law, and the OU is sœur est, and we got Italian. So his stepsister is Italian. And à quelle heure est-ce que vos cousines arrivent? At what time are your cousins arriving? Then the person's going to answer, my cousins are arriving, and then whatever time it says there. Whoops. My little thing went away there. À 7 heures du soir. So it's 7 o'clock in the evening. Try the next couple ones and compare with me. All right, stop this. Yeah, stop the tape and see if you can do the next few ones there. And we're back. Est-ce que tes parents aiment les chats? Do your parents like cats? You're going to answer, sure, yes. Now your parents is going to turn to my parents. Beaucoup. Les chats. So it's that question-answer thing that's a little tough. Like in 7, est-ce que les amis de Daniel sont timides? Are Daniel's friends shy? We're going to say, oh, we got social there. So we're actually going to say no. His friends, ses amis. We don't have to repeat Daniel because we already talked about Daniel. So ses amis sont sociables. And again, there's an S because there's more than one friend. Comment est mon neveu? How is my nephew? We're going to, oh, so you're asking, how is my uncle? So the person is going to answer, sorry, your nephew, excuse me. How is your nephew? Your nephew is poli et sympa, is polite and nice. Let's see what happens. Did we get them all? Okay, yep. See how the question with tu, the answer's with je. And if you're just talking about people, you just use the same verb and the same thing, but instead of saying the brother of Stephanie, we got my brother. Yeah. Or the sister of Mark, you just say his sister. All right, yeah, that was a tough one. Hope that helps.